I see we have new visitors. Welcome, Terrans. I am Worldmind, sentient supercomputer serving the people of Xandar. My data is comprised of the experiences, learnings, and histories of the Nova Corps and population of Xandar. Our beautiful planet Xandar is known for many things, but perhaps most renowned for our technological advancements. From artificial intelligence to intergalactic travel, Xandar stands at the forefront of innovation. That made Xandar most famous throughout the galaxy is our universal neural teleportation network. It generates artificial wormholes in the space-time continuum.
Grateful for this.
The race was very intense. We'll learn more about just how intense and dangerous it was in just a moment.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of EPCOT, EPCOTers, EPCOTians, citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. I am Centurion Tau Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheerio, Monarch. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Well, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans from beyond.
That's not pretty at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. And he's reaching a new jump point.
Jump point to where? It's some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Long time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, we do. You're Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake. What?
There's he. Where's the ship?
The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there's toast. This planet's making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttle now. We'll follow the fleet and get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. This planet of Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? Is it on? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I want. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out. But just can't get any worse.
They're headed for the jump point. This place is never work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck! You're gonna need it. resistance.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
The Big Bang!
Gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
We got the generator! We're rich! Oh yeah? We'll see about You get that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try this. They just formed. I hate robots. Quick, we're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Team, make your step blasters. We haven't contained, but not for long.
It's everywhere. And I know these things. You're all heroes.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.